wardrobe to wherever you want. So you preserve it by covering it over. Sophia, have you looked at the Roman floor? Roman pots? So all their floors would look like this.
Wow.
Love it.